It would come time for the conference. I would look at the pile of work on my desk and think, let's just go ahead and go. I was always glad I went because you always made a new connection. You learned how to approach something in a new way.
It's very important to have opportunities to get together. The speaker is very important, but sometimes the coffee breaks are just as important. And so for the Arts Council to do that and share that with us, we need to have some time that we can be together and expand the arts. It doesn't happen very often.
And the same was true really of the council on the arts conference. I thought, oh, wow, we're not doing this alone. We're a small but mighty group, but we're everywhere in the state.
It's really become a must-attend conference for me. There's so many connections that we make. A lifetime learning opportunity. There's always things that we can do better to run our nonprofits better, how to tell our stories better.
There have been speakers that hit something, I'm saying, I hadn't thought of it. So yes, you learn, and it's absolutely essential for the artists to keep growing.
One of the keynotes probably provided for me one of the greatest aha moments of my professional career. She really came in to talk about storytelling, which, it's imperative that we be able to tell our stories. But at the end of the day, the arts are changing lives in anecdotal ways. So Thaler talked us and walked us through the process of how do you tell the story of your work?
We listen to successful art stories that can be modeled in our city. We learn about art programs that can benefit every age and stage, including youth and veterans, seniors, and people with disabilities.
A lot of the challenges were the same. A lot of the solutions, a lot of the connections that you could make to help you achieve what you want were realized through attending the conference.
The likelihood of you having that kind of profound experience is high. You will never regret meeting other people who are in a room with you to lift you up, to support you, and to celebrate you, because they're also in your boat. We just don't have enough of that in this state. There are way more people who question the value of arts than get the value of arts. So when you have an opportunity to go be in a room with people who get the value, go and be in the room.
This conference can open a lot of doors. You can learn about funding opportunities. Anytime that you're able to brainstorm and collaborate with your peers is an opportunity to grow as an artist, as a business, or simply someone who wants to benefit their city or area.
Well, as a result of a conversation with someone who was also doing fundraising, we were able to secure some of our largest grants. Well, you make connections with artists at those conferences, and you talk with them about what possibilities can we create.
The networking piece is really valuable. There's great art being made all over this state. Artists who could go and be working lots of other places are here for myriad reasons, and I want to know them. So the more we can work together, the more you are creating that braid that creates strength.
We in the arts should be able to knock your socks off. Come and see what we're doing. We're all trying to better North Dakota. We're all trying to make our places interesting to live in.